Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make an AI logo on Canva. So first thing I did was just open up a browser and then I went to canva.com. And then if you look on the left sidebar, you're gonna find an option that says apps. So just click on that. And then you can just choose AI powered apps. And then in the search bar right here, just click or type logo. And then you're going to find a lot of embedded apps that you can use to generate that logo. So I'll just use this one, for example. And then I'll just click on use in a new design. Let's do custom design. Let's make it 1080 by 1080. Then click on create new design. So I have my project open here. And then what I can do is just prompt the AI over here in this text box. I can prompt it with my logo. So let's say I want a bee that is wearing a delivery hat and smiling. Make it look bright and cheerful. Then I'll just click on create. And it might take some time for it to create the logo, so you just be patient. And I got my bee right here. So yeah, I can just resize it to fit the entire image or entire canvas. And that's pretty much it. Hope that video is helpful.